Sup? Voice reveal. I hope y'all like it. Because please don't make fun of my voice. And also no, please up. Because, well, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. It's just a voice reveal. So if you hear anything in the background or my mic exploding, it's probably from me moving or someone or my dog, the fan, or my family coming in. My dad or my brother. Or my mom, which is rarely home because she works a lot, 24/7. Okay. I hope y'all like my vids or see them at least, because nobody has seen one of my videos in such a long time. So please do not do much. Do not make fun of my voice, please. I also do probably sound like a kid because I am a kid, but I'm not telling you my age just yet. I'm not gonna tell you my age because I don't want you to make fun of me because of how young I am or something. I don't know. I'm not gonna reveal it because I'm young enough for predators to come try to get me. So yeah, I don't want predators coming to my house. Please don't come to my house. Unless if you're someone from my school. So, yeah. Oh well. Anyways, bye-bye. See ya. Please watch my other vids, or like them at least. No, bye-bye.